Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Thursday, and so we'll be watching export sales data. Still looking for wheat somewhere in the 200,000 to 400,000, maybe corn 300,000 to 600,000, and maybe 1,000,000 tons of beans. Again, the corn and wheat numbers are at paces that are below levels to reach the USDA goals, while the soybean numbers grab headlines. But the key is whether or not China will come in and buy more U.S. beans. There was a flash on one of the wire services overnight that China is willing to buy $20 billion of U.S. ag goods year one of any trade deal. That puts them, with what they bought to date, up to close to the highs of 2017 when they bought about $22 billion worth of ag goods. So that's them buying ag goods with the tariff situation prior to putting the trade tariffs on. So it shot beans up a little bit, shot corn and wheat followed, but now we're kind of backing off a little bit. I think we're still in a consolidation type phase with people talking about U.S. and corn and soybean crop lower, bringing carryouts down and supporting prices. Farmers also not selling a lot of grain as the harvest is late, and especially the corn is wet and waiting for it to dry down, versus the fact that most of the world news is negative. And many people think that next year we'll have big increases in wheat crops and corn crops, and while the bean crop may be down in the U.S., South America could be up. So we're waiting to see what kind of moves the needle one way or the other. Will it be the November crop report? Then it won't be until January until we get another crop number from the USDA NASS group, or will it be actually buying by China of goods other than beans like corn, pork, and other products. As far as the funds are concerned, we estimate that they have about an even position in wheat, short 70,000 corn, and long almost 70,000 beans. Weather-wise, it looks like we should have some good weather across the Midwest for harvest over the next 10 days. It'll be cold. South America, Brazil should be getting showers. There are parts of Brazil that could use a rain. The American and European model are in very big conflict on Argentina. One has good rains in Argentina while the other one is dry. So we'll have to kind of see what actually happens. So consolidated trade, waiting for news to push us one way or the other, outside resistance or below support. I kind of think that harvest pressure should be pressure on the market. After that, we could see a rally if the crops are smaller and the demand is what the USDA is forecasting. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.